Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to fix the email you provided is not supported on ChatGPT or OpenAI using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser. And by the way, there are four different methods to fix this problem. Okay? So the first way is to just go ahead and open your browser. Click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. Click on About Chrome. And you need to make sure that your Chrome is updated. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Click on Advanced. Here you want to select All Time. And then after that, select all of this and click on clear data. Okay, so now once you've done that, we can now try to use again our email, and that should help you with your problem. So the second method is to again click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on More Tools. Click on Extensions. Then here you need to make sure all of these are turned off. Okay, and then now you can just again try to use your email, and that should help you with your problem. So the third method that you can do is to just go ahead and use VPN. Okay, so I suggest the NordVPN, this one. So if but you can use any other VPN that you want, but I suggest this because as you can see, you can get 63% off plus 3 extra months. Okay, so you can use this because it's the most effective method that you can do for to fix this problem or issue. Okay, so the last thing or method that you can do is to just go ahead and restart your device. Okay, and you can also unplug and plug in back your internet or your router. Okay, you need to restart your internet connection. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.